cool, yeah? Get your hands off me.
Right, get upstairs now.
You're joking, I'm not scared of him.
Well, you should be. You're on crutches. A couple of pints.
I want no bother.
What, did you tell him that yesterday? When he bottled me dad? Maybe he deserved it.
No!
Ross, you're an idiot! You don't mess with my family. It's only you that does that, innit?
Stop it, the pair of you! Officers! Officers! Hi! Just messing around like lads do.
We've had a report of an assault. James Barton, I believe he lives here.
Not anymore, he doesn't.
Yeah, I figured he wasn't welcome. Ain't that right, Chaz?
And you are?
His son. And the bloke you're looking for is him.
Well, no, hang on a minute.
He bottled him.
Is this right? We need to have a chat down the station.
I'll come with you.
No, you won't.
I don't believe this is happening.
Nothing's happened yet.
No, but it's gonna, innit? He's on a suspended sentence, Diane. He could go back inside.